as I mentioned, my first congregation was in Buffalo, New York. I was there during the famous blizzard of 1977. That was my luck. It began snowing on a Friday morning. I drove downtown to the synagogue. It snowed all morning, all afternoon, all evening. That night I conducted Shabbat services with a custodian. I couldn't get out that night, couldn't get out the next morning. Finally, the next afternoon, I was able to slowly make my way home. It was during those 30 hours trapped in the synagogue that I learned the true meaning of the words, "And I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever."